Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our Acharya PU College special lecture for SSLC students. Today, so we are discussing about trigonometry. Okay, in trigonometry, so I can discuss about trigonometric functions. Okay, before that, what is meant by trigonometry? So we can discuss about what is meant by trigonometry. Okay, we'll see. Tri means what? Gono means what? And metron. Tri means what? 3. Okay. Gono means angle. Tri means 3. Gono means angle. Metron means measurement. Measurement we can call as 3 angle measurement. We can call as what? Trigonometry. Then next topic is trigonometric functions. I will tell you trigonometric functions. What are the trigonometric functions we have? Okay, we'll see. We have 6 trigonometric functions. 6 trigonometric functions. You know the 6 trigonometric functions? Okay, you will see. First one is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta. The last one is what? Cosec theta. Okay, it's a very important 6 trigonometric functions. Based on that, we are writing some functions here. You know the name Pythagoras name. Okay, the Pythagoras is studied the mainly right angle triangle. Okay, just I am considering this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is the angle theta. Okay, any angle we have. So this is what? Acute angle. So less than 90 degree we can call it what? The acute angle. Okay, this one is what? 90 degree. So what is the formula? Pythagoras formula is what? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. On that formula, we are writing 6 trigonometric functions. Okay. So before that, this is the hypotenuse. Listen here. So AC is the what? Hypotenuse. Or simply we can say this is what? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus adjacent square. Okay. Hypotenuse. This is the opposite. Theta opposite is the what? Opposite. I can write this is opposite. Then this one is the what? Adjacent, or we can call it as what? Base. Okay, base. So we have the formula. Okay, on this triangle we are writing 6 trigonometric functions. How? Okay, sin theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, I will tell you how to write it is. Okay, then cos theta. Cos theta is what? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Then tan theta, opposite by adjacent. If you know the 3 functions, means its result. So you can write cot theta, sec theta and cosecant theta. It's a reverse, means reciprocal. So tan theta is nothing but what? Listen here, tan theta we can write is 1 by cot. Tan reciprocal we can write 1 by cot. Then sec theta, or we can say it is secant theta also. Sec theta 1 by cos theta. So I write here. So tan theta result, how to write it is cot theta equal to, we can write it is 1 by tan also. Is it clear? Tan theta equal to 1 by cot, or we can write, if you want cot theta result, we can write 1 by tan theta. If we have the result, what is the tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. So I can write cot theta equal to 1 divided by opposite divided by adjacent. It goes to what? The numerator. I can write cot theta equal to, what is the result? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. Or simply we can say tan theta is what? Opposite by adjacent. Cot theta you can write adjacent by opposite. Then similarly sec theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos. Sec reciprocal is what? 1 by cos theta. Okay. We have the cos theta result. What is the cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So I write directly, or else 1 divided by adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Or simply we can write this is, what is that? Hypotenuse divided by adjacent. This is what? Secant theta. Then lastly I write cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to what? You know the sin theta result? Opposite by hypotenuse. Its reciprocal is what? Hypotenuse by opposite. So cosec theta equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite. Is it clear now? Opposite by hypotenuse, everything. So from 1 to 6 totally on depends on what? Pythagoras triangle. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is the what? Theta. Hypotenuse I can write only H. Opposite I can write O. Then adjacent I can write A. Is it clear? Sin theta. Sin theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? AB. AB by AC. So like this also we can write it is. Okay. Then how to remember it? That is very important. How to remember? Then how to write? Sin theta, sir, you are saying opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So I will tell you one trick. Very important for you. Okay. So I will tell you one trick. Just to remember the tricks, everyone should write easily 6 trigonometric functions. What is the trick here? SOH CAH TOA. Okay, Sokha Toa. So already it is having in SSLC textbook. Sokha Toa. Okay, you have in your textbook. Just group it is 3 letters. SOH. Okay, SOH. What is mean by S? Just simply I am writing it is sin theta. As you indicated it is sin theta equal to O opposite H hypotenuse. First letter you indicate, just remember it. S is nothing but sin theta. Equal to O means what? Opposite. H means what? Hypotenuse. Then CAH we have CAH. Okay. In CAH, what you are writing? C is what? cos theta equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Then TOA, okay, T means what? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to what? Opposite divided by adjacent. Just to check out here, sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. If you know only SOH, we can write opposite by hypotenuse. Then cos theta, CAH, adjacent by hypotenuse, we have TOA. This is the tan theta. Opposite by O is what? Opposite. A means what? Adjacent. Okay. So another one I will tell you. It is very, very simple and very tricky also. Okay. Another one formula I have. Osha chota. Not a Usha. Osha chota. Again, I make it as three letters, one group. OSH. Okay. OSH. But here I am using middle letter. What is S? S just to indicate it is sin theta equal to, first letter is what? O. Opposite. H. Hypotenuse. Okay. This one is over. Next ACH. ACH. Just to take it as a middle letter. C means what? Cos theta equal to, first letter is what? Adjacent. Then last one is what? Hypotenuse. Then third one is, this is over, you know. Next third one is OTA. OTA. T means what? Tan theta. What is the first letter? O. Opposite. Last letter A. Adjacent. Similarly, so we can write cosecant result, then sec theta result, and cot theta. It's reciprocal, reverse. Hypotenuse, just I write it is H O. Hypotenuse by opposite. Sin reciprocal is what? Cosecant theta. So like this, cos we can write H. So it's reverse, H by A. Then tan theta, its reciprocal is what? Reverse. Okay, we can write A by O. A is what? Adjacent. O is what? Opposite. Just to know, Osha chota. This is very important. Okay. Just to remember it, you can write all the 6 trigonometric functions. Okay. Thank you, students. Keep watching our channel and subscribe it.